we need to shut up.
Shut up. Shut up.
So they don't shut down.
I have been a professor for about 15 years. And in that time, I've taught nearly 3,000 students. But I am a complete garbage teacher. And I discovered this one day after I gave the lecture of my lifetime, giving myself a little pat on the back. Good job, Anthony, good job. And I see this student in the back of the auditorium, and she's got this look on her face like she's about to speak some truth. And she marches down and plants herself in front of that podium and holds up her notebook. And she says, Anthony, I made a list of everything you did wrong today. All the things you did wrong today.
All the things you did wrong today.
Ooh, and now I feel a little nervous. And my heart breaks.
Because she was there to help me be better and do better.
She was making me a better leader.
Katie and I are back at my office, and I'm sitting there with all of my fancy professor books behind me and my fancy professor chair, and she's sitting down there on a little stool, and I'm looking at her, and I'm growing more and more irritated and angry and upset at each of these criticisms, and I started to imagine her as this little buzzing, flying mosquito, just zzz, and you just want to bat it away. That's how my brain was processing what was in front of me.
And all of a sudden it dawned on me. As I was pushing back, as I was telling her, no, actually, no, but I realized I was just defending the status quo. I was defending the way things are. She's actually a revolutionary. She's actually a superhero by bringing this information to me, this feedback to me.
So the takeaway I want you to walk out of here with is we as leaders, as people in positions of privilege and power, we need to shut up.
This is shut up in sign language. Let's all do it together. One time, right here. Boom, and then boom. And she said, Anthony, if you see me looking at you during a meeting and I'm looking at you like this, it's time for you to shut up.
So that our most valuable team members, our innovators, our idea makers do not shut down. We need to shut up so they don't shut down.